So FreeFORM's a startup. We launched in September of 2020. We do metal binder jet as a contract manufacturer. We saw a gap in the service providers, so we wanted to bring binder jet to the masses through our contract manufacturing business. Nate and I have been in the powder metal and metal injection molding and metal additive industry for at least the last 10 years. So we have a wide range of experience with the technologies and with the industries that we serve.
The promise of additive manufacturing is really technology that can support all phases of a life cycle of a product. And I think that the technology that Desktop Metal is developing really fits that, but there was no one in the industry that was focused on how do we then scale that into production. FreeFORM today has a P1 production system from Desktop Metal. On this production system, we are doing material development, customer applications, and customer production all on this system. The P50 will enable FreeFORM to focus on more high-volume applications and really be more cost-competitive to traditional manufacturing.
Our mission is to drive the mass adoption of metal binder jet. Speed to market is a big killer for companies. If they can't get product to market, they can't generate revenue. So we're trying to advance that product launch process with metal binder jet. With the production system, we're processing a layer of material and printing a layer of parts every 3 seconds. So we're able to print a lot of parts in a short amount of time, which allows us to get to market faster, allows us to iterate our process faster, allows our customers to iterate their products faster. That's one of the major advantages.
Also with binder jet, because we're distributing layers of powder, we can do things such as lightweighting and internal plumbing architectures that wouldn't be possible with traditional manufacturing. So we had this customer come to us with an application where they wanted it lightweighted. This is one of the heaviest parts in their entire assembly. We were able to take this product and actually put a hole down the center of it and reduce the finished mass by 40% in the finished product.
Traditionally, from metal additive manufacturing, customers are expecting rough surface finish and limited dimensional accuracy. Most customers are astonished at the product that we're putting in their hands because of our improved surface finish and our dimensional repeatability across the whole product range. We're at a point now where we need to change the way the customer is thinking. They're thinking inside of this box of how they can manufacture something. There's a different way to manufacture products today, and finding customers that are ready to think outside of the box will continue to drive the mass adoption of binder jet. Metal binder jet is here to stay.